Bonjour à tous. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Learn French with Madame. Today we are going to talk about bien dit en chapitre 4, vocabulaire 2, au magasin de fourniture scolaire. So today we are continuing about school vocab, but we're going to talk about things that you might need for specific classes, like an eraser or a dictionary, binder, pencil, all of those fun things. So we're going to be talking like we are at a school supply store, like Office Max or Office Depot, etc., etc. So with that, let's go ahead and start. So items that you are going to need for school, that's what we're going to start with first. La première, c'est un sac à dos. Un sac à dos. So un sac à dos is a backpack. All right, go ahead and repeat that word with me. Un sac à dos. Très bien. OK, la prochaine, on a un stylo. Un stylo. Et ça, un stylo is a pen. Un stylo. OK? La prochaine, c'est une trousse. Une trousse. Go ahead and say that word with me. Une trousse. Excellent. Une trousse is a pencil case. Une trousse is a pencil case. Prochaine, un crayon. Un crayon is a pencil. Be careful that you don't confuse this with a crayon in English or a crayon, however you say it. But un crayon in French is just a pencil. Un crayon. Aussi, on a un dictionnaire. Un dictionnaire. C'est facile. Un dictionnaire. It looks and sounds kind of like the word in English. So un dictionnaire is a dictionary. Un dictionnaire. Go ahead and repeat that word after me. Un dictionnaire. Excellent. Prochaine, on a des cahiers or un cahier if you're talking about one. So des cahiers are more than one notebook. So this picture, two notebooks. But if I said un cahier, I'd be talking about one notebook. So un cahier or des cahiers. Go ahead and say that word with me. Des cahiers. Excellent. Et puis, on a un livre. Un livre. This should be a little bit of review too from our previous chapters. We already learned the word for un livre. We already learned it as a book. So we have un livre, which is a book. Okay? Up next, ça c'est une règle. C'est une règle. Une règle is a ruler. Une règle, ruler. And a fun fact, this might be extra credit on your quiz, the word for a rule in French, like the first rule of French class is have fun, is une règle aussi. It's the same thing. So une règle is the word for a ruler and a rule, like a rule of thumb. So une règle. All right, go ahead and say that word with me. Une règle. Excellent. Prochaine, on a des feuilles de papier. Again, this is a little bit of review because we've already learned this word. So des feuilles de papier are sheets of paper, like loose leaf sheets of paper. We've learned une feuille de papier, which is just a single sheet of paper. So des feuilles de papier are just plural, there's more than one, and une feuille de papier meaning that there's only one. All right, so go ahead and say that word with me. Des feuilles de papier. Excellent. Prochaine, on a un classeur ou des classeurs. So des classeurs are binders. Un classeur is a binder. So just the difference of making it more than one or singular one. So we have des classeurs. Et prochaine, on a une calculatrice. Une calculatrice. Une calculatrice is a calculator. Calculatrice. That word is kind of hard to say sometimes. So go ahead and say that word after me. So we have une calculatrice. Excellent. Et prochaine, ça c'est une gomme. Une gomme. Une gomme is an eraser. Une gomme. OK? Et ça, c'est un taille-crayon. Un taille-crayon. So this is a pencil sharpener, un taille-crayon. So it's literally got the word for like, it's a pencil sizer, literally, if you translate it, but pencil sharpener in English. So, un taille-crayon. Et prochaine, ça c'est un portable. Un portable, we've learned this word already before. Un portable is a laptop. Un portable. Et puis, on a un mobile. You can also say sometimes un portable for your phone too. So sometimes you'll hear kids in France say un portable and they're talking about their phone, but most of the time you'll say un mobile. All right, et ça, c'est des baskets. Des baskets pour faire de l'EPS, to do gym class. Des baskets are tennis shoes. Et puis, un short, c'est facile. Un short, pair of shorts, un short. Et aussi, c'est facile, ça, c'est un sweatshirt. Un sweatshirt. You can also abbreviate this and just say un sweat. So if you want to say, I'm wearing a sweatshirt, you would say, je porte un sweatshirt, or je porte un sweat. So you can abbreviate it with un sweat, but un sweatshirt for a sweatshirt. OK? Aussi, on a un t-shirt. C'est facile. Un t-shirt. Même comme en anglais, the same as in English. Un t-shirt is a t-shirt. Et c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. And that is all of our vocab words for today. A quick little preview of what we're going to go through in our next video. We're going to talk about some phrases. So just a little heads up that the next video, we're going to get a little bit harder and talk about some phrases. But for today, I just wanted to talk about some little items that you might need. If you need help, you can feel free to rewatch this video, send me an email, or you can look up those links on Conjugamos as well. Mais si vous avez des questions, envoyez-moi un email. If you have any questions, send me an email. Et c'est tout, et à plus.